If you're considering a help desk for your business, there are 12 important things you need to know before making the purchase. In this video, we'll break down the features, pros, and cons to help you decide if it's the right help desk software for you, or if there's something better out there. First, eHelpDesk offers a solid ticket management system that allows you to track, prioritize, and assign customer queries efficiently. But compared to competitors like Freshdesk or Zendesk, it may not have the same level of customization options for your workflows. Next thing, eHelpDesk provides a built-in knowledge base for customers to find answers on their own. This can reduce support requests, saving your team time. But the user interface for managing articles might feel a bit basic compared to what you'd find with platforms like Zoho Desk. The third thing to consider is automation. eHelpDesk does allow you to set up automated workflows, but they're limited in scope when compared to other software like Jira Service Management. If your team needs advanced automation, it may not be enough. The fourth thing to note is integrations. eHelpDesk supports popular tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and CRM systems, but if you rely on niche software, you might find fewer integration options than with a competitor like ServiceNow. Now, the fifth thing, reporting. eHelpDesk has basic reporting tools, giving you insights into ticket volume and response times. However, it lacks advanced analytics and reporting capabilities found in software like Zendesk or Freshdesk, which offer deeper insights. The sixth thing is the user interface. eHelpDesk has a clean, easy-to-navigate interface, but if you prefer a highly customizable dashboard, you might feel limited by its rigid design. Competitors like Freshservice offer more flexible user interfaces. Seventh, eHelpDesk offers multi-channel support, including email, chat, and phone. But it's not as robust as platforms like Zoho Desk, which also offer social media integrations for managing customer queries across multiple platforms. The eighth thing to consider is pricing. eHelpDesk is relatively affordable compared to other major help desk solutions like Zendesk, especially for small teams. But it might not have the same level of features at the same price point, which could be an issue if you need more advanced functionality. Next, eHelpDesk has a mobile app, which lets you respond to tickets on the go. However, it's not as feature-rich as the mobile apps from competitors like Freshdesk, which offer more functionality, including push notifications for urgent tickets. The 10th thing is customer support. eHelpDesk offers email support, but there's no phone support unless you're on a higher tier plan. This is a significant limitation compared to competitors like Zendesk, which offer 24/7 phone support. The 11th thing is customization. While eHelpDesk allows you to customize ticket forms and workflows to an extent, you won't get the level of flexibility you'll find with competitors like Freshservice or Jira Service Management. Finally, the 12th thing to keep in mind is scalability. eHelpDesk is great for small to medium-sized businesses, but if you plan to scale significantly, you might eventually outgrow it. Larger enterprises tend to opt for solutions like ServiceNow or Jira Service Management, which can handle complex, large-scale operations. In conclusion, eHelpDesk is a solid help desk solution, especially for smaller teams or businesses looking for a budget-friendly option. However, if you need advanced features or scalability, you may want to consider other solutions. If you want to try a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.